Hello, good evening, everybody, great Biafrans, friends of Biafran, people of goodwill all over the world. My name is Efe Uwanogo Omote Biafra from the coastal region of Biafra land. If it's your first time when they come across this YouTube channel, make you like, subscribe, press the notification bell so that each time we drop video, you go always get notification. This evening, I want to quickly talk on about this Udele of a guy I dey see in video after they don see apprehend am for the atrocity wey they commit for Turkey. Im dey live for Turkey as in illegally. Na im dey live for Turkey for that place. Im dey for social media dey rant, dey deceive im people since how many days now wey they take apprehend am. Im no only dey do illegal business, they survive. If they see they live for that place illegally, that is a very big crime for those of us when they for diaspora. We know and understand what they talk. And also, Udele they involve, Udele speak they involve for human trafficking. There are people see they for Libya now. When see they stuck for Libya due to the Udele now he carry them go that place, and Udele go Turkey through Libya. Even if the Turkey people check their system, they go understand and they go know how it maneuver reach that place. So Udele dey for a very big mess. Despite say they try to cover up and they try to form like say nothing they happen everywhere good, saying nothing they happen, saying go deal with IPOB. And I say the last time, the last broadcast when I make, I tell Udele, say Udele, you no need to dey call us for supermarket, say IPOB, where are this IPOB? Come meet me for supermarket. You no need to dey call us like that. If we need you, we know where to get you. If we need you, we know where to find you. If we need you, we know what to do to you. You no go tell us what to do. If we push you, we go tell you where to land. As for those gullible ones, when they follow Udele, when they feel say Udele no, maybe they not get anything when they want to do Udele, or Udele he get one thing when they do for that place. Udele dey for a very big mess. If Udele come up for that place, if they come up carry am for that police custody when you see they get access, say they use that phone, so they will carry am go deportation camp. And you know what that one mean. And if they talk about say he go call Nigeria embassy, this one, that one. Nigeria embassy not get help when they want to do for am. Nigeria embassy na to fast if they thought say they want help am, na to do document for am, maybe make him take go Nigeria. And if he read the zoo, he not go fit go for Biafra land, because Udele as he dey for the rest of his life, he go dey on the run. They say they not tell small pikin may not carry teeth, may not carry long teeth. So far make it see lip when go take cover am. Udele don't beat more than he can chew. One person no fit cook for a whole community or a group of movement like IPOB and make IPOB as in make them when they not go fit eat and finish. But if IPOB as a movement cook for one person, that person not go fit eat and finish. Udele, my dear prodigal son, make I tell you something. You are in a very big mess. All those ranting when you dey rant, and all those people when you dey call on, you not get anybody. You remember say they tell us say you na one man squad. Why you dey call on people? Who are those people when you dey call on? Who are these people? Who are these people? Now they send you message. If now they send you message, you are on your own. They don't tell you say you are on your own. You not get anything, as in not get anywhere when they want to assist you. Udele, if you go Lagos, you there for a big mess. You go Biafra land, you there for big mess. You there for Tokyo, you see they in a big mess. Because this process when you there now, so even if they release you for this one, for example, you still be wanted because you dey live for that place illegally. And secondly, what is your means of survival? What is your means of survival? We tell you, IPOB no find you. We no find you. We dey do our thing. You say you suddenly come outside, you start to dey fight. Everybody when they attack IPOB, they attack once they go enter us. They attack once they go enter us. But your own, you can't carry am for air like Jericho. You can't carry am for air like Jericho. Maybe some individual they call you, they give you small thing, maybe they follow up. You can't carry IPOB matter for air like Jericho. Today now see where you dey. See all your face don't worn out. See stress all over your face. Who is now going to come for your help now daily? Who go call for your help? You there for a big mess now. You say if we go Nigeria, he say if we say make we follow us the way they follow us, he say they go drive the whole Biafrans come up for Nigeria. So you not Nigerian. Okay, you na Nigeria, that is why they fight us, make we not get Biafra. So, you know, they are aware, say, every region in the damnable republic, say that they agitate to leave Nigeria. Say, even today, as we talk now, Kwara State, I see for this day newspaper today, Kwara State now don't talk, say, they not go join the North, say they won't join the Southwest. Udele, now you did that play the clip. Who are you want to stay for the Nigeria? Who are you want to share the zoo? So now your mission be that. So all this time when they fight IPOB, now mission to keep Nigeria, now you define. So not be say IPOB is deceiving young Igbo youth again. IPOB is deceiving the so-called nigger data youth again. Now one Nigerian Nigeria, now you they fight for since all these years. Ah, see how you take for now. You see your life. I think say you be heavy. I think say you even get one thing. Some people they talk about, they say make we not give you cheap popularity. There are things when we they talk on. This is not cheap popularity. Now you are fallen and you will continue to fall. And less for me, if Nigeria government, if I thought the Nigeria government won't come according as they run your mouth for that, let's say embassy, this one, that one. You know they save, my brother. Home and abroad, you are not safe. You are not going to go scot-free. You are beating more than you can chew. You they cook for your own nation to chop. Only you delay. You never bath now. You never bath. All those people, the rest people that they do, that they go scot-free, so it's different from the way you tell they do your own so. It's different. You they blood daylight, they come outside, they fight us. They fight us unnecessarily. No fight, no get justification. Your fight no get any reason. You just they fight us unjustly. To fulfill your. I know many people, you don't fight of passport, you not get head. You fight that lady for Chicago, you not get head. You say na IPOB, now you won't confess. Udele, you are in a very big mess, eh? Even if you come out for this place when you did so, I still give you another 6 months, you are going to go for it again. I know most of us go there for abroad, we know as they operate. You don't already there for their list, you don't there for their list. And many ladies go see come outside to call testify against you when you take carry the proof for Libya. Today as they speak, the day for Libya, their life they miserable. Some of them they send money call for you when you take the chop, udele. Ah, so now so you there for prison now they clean out. Nobody is coming for you because you are fighting against the spirits. You they fight against freedom of people. Nobody with a rightful sense will come for you for that place. And even if they come, yes, now money they go give you. Yes, now money now they get Turkey government. Now Nigeria government now they get Turkey government. I be you say Turkey government they corrupt like the zoo government. I be you feel say Turkey government go call leave you. May you go scot-free with your evil deeds. Your crime when you don't commit against them, they will not let you go scot-free. You are in for a big one, Udele. You are in for a big one. You wait and see how the whole game. So you said now you said we don't cook give you. You say you shop our food. You said now time for you to cook. They pray may you see air take come out for that place, Udele. Pray may you see air take come out for that place. Pray. It's better for them to send you go prison because you are a human trafficker. You are into illegal business in Turkey. It's better for them to take you to prison, go serve 6 years or 10 years or however you serve finish. If they deport you go home, they go kill you or they tell you our youth go kill you. We know they hide that will go kill you. Don't go there. May they put you for prison. May they put you for prison for that place. May you they serve. If you serve finish, maybe before that time Biafra don't come, then you lost. Your waka lost. Very anyhow boy, nonsense.